Hi, June here. Today I'm going to do a hair tutorial because everybody apparently likes my hair when it's curled. So this is a tutorial on how I curl my hair. I thought it would be easier to show you. What I'm going to use today is my curling wand, which is preheated up to 180 degrees. And I use a heat protection spray from L'Oreal, and it protects your hair up to 230 degrees. Next, I use a normal hairbrush. I got this one from Olive Young when I went to Korea. And I use a hair clip to clip my hair out of the way. And I also use a glove. This glove came with the curling wand. I use a glove because my best friend Amra introduced me to curling my hair with a curling wand, and I burned myself. My hand was so burned. Disclaimer, I have very thick Asian hair, I have a lot of hair. This may or may not. I don't know if you have thinner hair, it really depends. So if you want to try this look, it's all on you. This is my hair, all natural. The only thing I did was I dried my hair with a hairdryer. I didn't use any products, and I usually don't use any products at all, except for heat protection spray. Now I have to let you know, I cut my hair by myself. I know it's not good, everybody's going to come at me for this, but I don't really feel like going to the hairdressers at all. So what I do is I take the top part, I comb it upwards, and then I cut straight into it, not sideways, just straight. Let's get started. So what I do always first is do a middle part, because I like to have my hair in the middle part. And I also do this with my nails. I divide my hair into 3 thirds. So 1/3 is the top part, 2nd third is the middle part, and the bottom part is the last third. What I'm going to do first is take 2/3, like right above my ear, go all the way to the back, section it off, which is quite some work. So what I'm going to do now is take everything to the top, and I just clip it away. Now I throw all my hair to the back, and I split it into 2 halves and bring it to the front. Next, I'm going to take my heat protection spray and just spray my hair. Now I'm going to brush through my hair. Sorry, always start from the bottom, work your way upwards. Now I wear my glove. So the trick is, for me the trick is, I start with the first section from the back and curl it away from my face. Then you kind of calculate through your hair until you come to the front parts, because the last piece of hair you always want to curl again away from your face. So you want to go away from your face, to your face, away from your face, to your face, and again away from your face. To show you, because I have very thick hair, I take smaller parts, and for me it's easier to take the curling wand from the back to curl the parts away from my face, and I just keep it on the wand for like 10 seconds. Plus minus. Then I take it off but keep it in my hand, curled up, and then you have a curl, which is away from your face. Next part is going to come to my face. So instead of going behind my head, I'm going this time in front of my head. And be careful around your ears, because you don't want to burn your ears. Again, about 10 seconds. Release. Keep it in your hand. And you have another curl to your face, towards your face. Easy, right? Now I'm going to speed up the process because it's just the same. You go away from your face, to your face, and so on. Now I don't have a lot of hair left, so if you calculate it right, you have enough hair left for 2 strands, which you want the first one from the back to be again towards your face and the last one to be away from your face. What this does is it helps your hair to not get I want to say tangled up, get into one piece, if you know what I mean, because if you curl everything away from your face, it is going to blend in. This kind of method helps your hair to do not that part. And here we have some curls, my style. If you want, you can put some hairspray onto your curls. I'm not going to use any hairspray today because I'm just filming the tutorial and tomorrow I'm gonna shower again and it's a waste of product. Now repeat the same thing on the other side. I'm going to do that off camera because it's just the same thing, only on this side. Okay, so I'm back and I curled both sides. Now this is the bottom part. Oh yeah, and don't touch them. Like, you can bring them to the front or the back, but don't go in with your hands and separate the curls. We're going to do that at the end. Now, what I also didn't explain was why I cut layers into my hair. It is because my hair is too heavy and I just needed some weight off my head. Now we have all our hair curled, the first layer. We're going to take all the hair to the front and take the hair clip out. Be careful because you want the piece we clipped away to go to the back, and we are going to separate again our hair. I'm just going to take the top layer and I'm going to clip this part away again. Beautiful. Separate your hair, part your hair again at the back into 2 parts. Bring them to the front. Keep them in the front. Take the hair you curled, put them to the back, and you have a new layer to work with. Now again, it's the same process. keep doing this and I'll be back with the last layer. Okay, I have everything curled now. The two sections, the two layers. And I'm going to split them again in half, bring them to the front. And for the last part, you are going to split them in half again. Take the curled parts again to the back. And bring the front part to the front. And what I do is I clip the hair in the back together just to keep them away. Okay, so it's again the same step, just repeat it. Now the next step I'm going to do is I'm going to take my finger and just take the upper section of my hair and I'm just going to put the curling wand underneath that so it creates some volume. Okay, repeat this on the other side. Let's go to the back. Now if you want you can use a comb to section everything off, but I'm too lazy to use one. Now we have volume. I'm going to take my bangs and I'm just wrapping them around. Now I'm not really convinced with this side, so I'm repeating this step on this side. The last step is, you can keep them like this, but I prefer them washed out. Okay, so it looks like this, and this was how I curl my hair. Thank you for watching and see you the next time. Bye!